and try to make it new.
Thank you for joining us for part 2 of our California journey. We are heading out from Joshua Tree and heading towards West LA, where we spent the next 3 days at Hotel June, exploring the sunny city of Los Angeles.
If you want more than to stay alive, come on over, we can make it through. Take my hand, I know just what to do. On the beat, keep dancing through the night. Stay up until the morning light, the morning light. Oh, come on over, we can make it through. Take my hand, I know just what to do. On the beat, keep dancing through the night. Stay up until the morning light, the morning light. Oh, the morning light. Oh, I just wanna be your Superman.
Alright, so we are back now at our hotel. We're staying at Hotel June. We checked in yesterday night after dinner. We went to dinner at a restaurant called Bestia, which is a rustic Italian type restaurant in downtown LA. Dinner was spectacular. We met one of my buddies from med school, and he and his girlfriend, and had dinner with them. It was really terrific. We really enjoyed ourselves. It was so good catching up with them.
We started out with some appetizers, had this like ricotta cheese toast, and then also this bone marrow pasta. Would recommend both, they were amazing. Then we had the spicy lamb sausage pizza. It was actually spicy, and so I was really impressed. And then ended with a couple of pastas. We had a squid ink pasta, like a stuffed shells one, and then what was the truffle pasta.
Truffle, yeah.
It was amazing. The drinks were also so good. Would definitely recommend. Our friends actually said that was one of their favorite restaurants in LA, so we were really happy to able to get a reservation quickly.
And then also we did this thing called bone marrow shot, which is one of the pastas is made with the fats from the bone marrow, and so actually they serve that shot. They pour brandy down the bone, and so it soaks up that flavor, and also with the shot. So that was really cool experience that we did as well. So our plan today, we're just having some breakfast poolside. I got these overnight oats here, which you can see, really nice. I added some of our protein, or our chia seed superfood mix to it as well. So just having that, relaxing by the pool, enjoying the weather and enjoying the sunshine. Wanted to start off with a quick room tour. So up first, we'll show you the bathroom. Everything in this hotel was very neatly, nicely done in an artistic way, sort of like a minimalistic modern style. There I am waving hello. For example, the soaps were C.O. Bigelow. Everything was very high-end. High-end amenities, including these Aesop soaps, which we really enjoyed in the shower. Onto the bedroom, there's a nice large king bed, very clean white sheets, a retro looking couch, some retro looking minimalistic style lighting, TV, and also a window with a view of downtown LA. Alright, dinner for us was at a very special restaurant called Sushi Zo, which was a omakase style tasting restaurant. It was the first omakase style tasting that Mo and I have done ever. Omakase basically means leave it up to you, meaning that you as the customer of the restaurant leave the menu up to the hands of the sushi chef. And so these are very sort of exquisite menus with fish imported from all different regions across the world, many from different regions in Japan. Multiple courses. We had a 23 course menu, and every course was handmade by the sushi chef and very artistic, very tastefully done, and we really just enjoyed this experience. next day for lunch, we went to this grocery store slash restaurant, which is essentially like a Whole Foods but on steroids, if you can even imagine what that would look like. This place had everything organic and all sorts of superfoods and vegetables and even so many things we have never heard of. It was very cool to see. We had a great lunch over there. They had a great selection, and it was a perfect meal right before we headed to the Santa Monica Pier to walk around and enjoy the beach. So we are at the LAX International Terminal. We just got our grab-and-go meals from the Amex Centurion Lounge, courtesy of MOU'S Platinum credit card. I'm having a turkey wrap, and they've also included these cookies, as well as a Pellegrino water, a clementine, and some chips and dip as well. So we're gonna just enjoy that, and then we head on our flight in an hour, so we'll be back home shortly.